Namaste, welcome to Geeta's Kitchen. Another tasty snack for Deepavali. And this time we are making a snack from the state of Madhya Pradesh in India. It is called as Laung Sev. Laung or lavang refers to cloves. So it's quite a spicy kind of sev with the spice coming from the cloves and the cinnamon and pepper. Let's see how to make it. So first we have to roast these dry ingredients. I have taken 1 teaspoon of cloves, 1 cardamom, 1 teaspoon of black pepper, and we will dry roast these for a couple of minutes. Now we can remove this. I'll transfer it to the blender jar. When cool, we'll make a powder of this. Now, before grinding, remove the cardamom peel, otherwise it will get stuck in that sev mold. Now we have blended it to a powder and keep this aside. To this powder, we'll also add some hing, that is asafoetida, a little bit of turmeric powder, some chili powder. We have already added pepper, so don't add too much of chili powder, and salt. Mix all these spices and salt well together. Keep it aside. Also, we have to add this cinnamon powder. I have it as powder, I am adding. If you don't have powder, take a small piece of cinnamon, dry roast it along with the other ingredients and powder that also and add. Next, take about 1/4 cup of oil in your blender jar. Add equal quantity of water. Whip the two together. You can do it with your hand or with another whipper. I prefer to use the mixie. Whip it till it becomes white and frothy. I am now taking 1 cup of gram flour or besan. To this, we will add this masala mix. Next, add this blend of oil and salt. See, when they make it in the shops or commercially, they also add a little bit of soda to it, cooking soda. But I prefer not to add. You can make it like this also. If you like, you can add the soda, there is no problem. And then mix it all well together. Add water little by little and to make a firm dough. Our dough is done and ready. See, I am using this large size holes mold for making this sev. What I would suggest, at this stage, if you like, you taste the dough and see. If the spice level is okay for you, you proceed. Otherwise, you can add a little more besan, that is the gram flour to it. For me, it is fine. Some of you have asked me about this. This is a small Ganesha which we make out of the batter. Whenever we begin any new project, praying that it should be a success and everything goes off well. We'll just wait for the oil to heat. Now squeeze it directly into the oil. Cook it over a medium flame. First heat the oil, then reduce it to medium and then squeeze out this dough into the oil. Flip it over and cook on the other side too. When the bubbling reduces, remove it from the oil like this. Some people even like to use the bigger mold like this, where you will get thicker sevs. I'll use that also and show you. See, now you get the thicker sev with this. So whichever size you like, you can do. Now drain it out from the oil and remove it. A better size, I feel it should be thick like this. Sometimes you would have seen people have a large journey with a grating shape like this, and then they take the dough with their hand, they press like this, and the strips fall into the oil. So not everybody may have this. After draining out from the oil, allow it to cool a little bit and just break it up like this lightly with your fingers, so that you get these nice long pieces like this. So with this save press, we can get the similar kind and of the exact same authentic taste. This again is a memory of our days in Indore, where we used to enjoy this lovely long save. Actually, it is also known as Ratlami save because it's a speciality from the town of Ratlam, close to Indore. And the save and poha and garam chai, especially in winter, absolutely awesome. So do definitely try out this recipe. I'm sure you love it. Simple and easy to make. Share it with your family and friends. We'll meet again in Geeta's Kitchen with another interesting recipe video. And please don't forget to subscribe to Geeta's Kitchen. Thank you for watching.